Sleep is an essential physiological process that is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. While the exact purpose of sleep is not fully understood, scientific research has uncovered several important reasons why we need to sleep. Here are some key reasons. Restorative function. Sleep allows the body to repair and rejuvenate itself. During sleep, the body can replenish energy stores, restore tissues, and repair muscles. Sleep also plays a vital role in the immune system, promoting healing and fighting off infections. Cognitive function and memory consolidation. Sleep is closely linked to cognitive processes, including learning, memory consolidation, and problem solving. It helps improve concentration, attention, and decision-making abilities. During sleep, the brain processes and consolidates information gathered during wakefulness, enhancing memory formation and retention. Metabolic regulation. Sleep plays a crucial role in regulating various metabolic processes, including glucose metabolism, hormone production, and appetite control. Lack of sleep has been associated with disruptions in hormone levels, such as increased levels of ghrelin, hunger hormone, and decreased levels of leptin, satiety hormone, which can lead to overeating and weight gain. Brain function and emotional well-being. Sleep is vital for maintaining optimal brain function and emotional well-being. Sufficient sleep supports emotional stability, regulates mood, and helps manage stress. Sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of mental health issues, such as depression and anxiety. Physical performance and coordination. Quality sleep is essential for physical performance, coordination, and reaction time. Athletes, in particular, rely on adequate sleep to optimize their training, skill development, and overall athletic performance. Cardiovascular health. Sufficient sleep is associated with a reduced risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and irregular heartbeat. It's important to note that the specific amount of sleep needed can vary among individuals and across different stages of life. Most adults typically require between 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, while children and teenagers generally need more. Prioritizing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a sleep-friendly environment can help ensure you get the necessary rest for optimal health and functioning.